Next, we have the double angle formula. Note that the double angle formula comes from the compound angle formula. Therefore, it is not given in the exam. So, let's find the double angle formula using the compound angle formula. For the double angle formula, we have sine to A, cos to A, and tan to A. So, let's start with sine to A. Sine to A means that it is sine A plus A. So we're going to use sine A plus B, which is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. But now we need sine A plus A. So we're going to change B to become A. And that will give you sine A cos A plus cos A sine A, which is equal to 2 sine A cos A. And hence, sine to A is actually 2 sine A cos A. Now, what about cos to A? Cos to A is actually cos A plus A. So, let's use cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. But now we need cos A plus A. So I'm going to change B to become A, which will give you cos A minus sine A sine A. And if you simplify this, you will get cos squared A minus sine squared A. That's the first formula of cos to A. You can actually do something to cos squared A and sine squared A as well. Let's recall that cos squared A plus sine squared A is 1. So we can get sine squared A equal to 1 minus cos squared A. So change sine squared A to become 1 minus cos squared A. And you will get 2 cos squared A minus 1, which is your second formula of cos to A. So just now you change sine squared A to become 1 minus cos squared A. Now, what if we change cos squared A instead? So, make cos squared A as the subject, and hence, it is actually 1 minus sine squared A. So, change cos squared A to become 1 minus sine squared A. And that will give you 1 minus 2 sine squared A, which is the third formula of cos to A. So basically, for cos to A, there are 3 formulas, which is this one, and this one. So that's the formula of cos to A. Now, what about tan to A? Tan to A is tan A plus A. So using the compound angle formula, tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. But since we have tan A plus A, we're gonna change B to become A. So we'll get tan A plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A tan A. And by simplifying, that will give you 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan squared A. So that's how you find the double angle formula for sine to A, cos to A, and tan to A. You can either memorize this formula or you can apply the concept that I taught you just now in order to find the double angle formula.